Hello, welcome back to me, Smithy. Today we're going to do another unboxing video. We're going to be actually unboxing the 36-inch Surefoot clamps from Rockler. So got these on the flash sale they were having, their own Prime Day sale they were having back in the month of June. Just arrived recently, so we're going to open them up. But now it's important as a woodworker to have clamps. A way to hold our material, sometimes to compress and make sure that glue holds. Talked about in some recent videos, you can never have enough clamps. Once again, be sure you tell the missus if you see her and she asks. You can never have enough. But when I started out with just a pair of these from Works. Came with a workbench that I had at the time. Since then I've expanded. You know, we now have some Craftsman ones and several from Harbor Freight. They all do great, but super excited to try out these 36-inch Surefoot ones. Should make, when we do cutting boards, should make it a bit easier. It's still bar clamp, but that being said, let's go ahead and open this up and check it out. For those of you who were concerned in some recent videos about my lack of knife, I do have one. Sometimes I just get too excited to find it.
You use mine.
I didn't use yours. That's what they were concerned about. I used a screwdriver.
I mean, you have used mine before, but...
I have used yours before. That's good. Alright. Nice big box, obviously bigger than 36 inches. Almost as tall as this board. And here we have it. I'm going to remove that box, set it aside. Just set it off to the side. Package with some bubble wrap to protect their ends. And hold their ends to each other. And we have one. And then we got the other. Set those aside because those could be useful. Just about the right size to hold one of our towers in, dice towers in, and keep them safe home.
Yay.
So, I love the color, the blued aluminum they have in here. This is still this is the Rockler brand. It is made in China. It is not made in America like the Jorgensen's, which I do have. I was lucky enough when I got here to pick up a Jorgensen that was left by the previous owner. No complaints there. And just in general, never any complaints about additional plants anyways. We'll just pull out one for now, that way we can test how it feels. The overall feel of the plant compared to some of our other ones. Makes for a messy, noisy mess. Oh. No, we're just going to open this one for now. I'm going to stick that in the box. Thank you. So, as you can see, we have this design. It's a pretty smooth acting for releasing. And while you would think it would go all the way back, there's actually a little bit there still because it's hitting these screws, so it doesn't actually sit all the way back, even though most of them will come all the way back. So I don't know if that's actually going to lose us any space. Be careful not to go off the end, although think taking off the end, you could then potentially work with the second one. Actually, I don't know how that would work. I take back that idea. There it is, all the way out. Let's go ahead and measure and just see. This is our maximum open capacity. Which end do you want to hold? That end or this end? This end. Alright, so that is actually, like I said and was afraid of, we actually come just shy of the 36-inch mark. So can't actually get 3 foot inside here and be able to clamp down. Go any further back to this and it doesn't actually lock down. That is the first locking spot. And that's as wide open as we can get. So I feel like that's a little bit of a miss. We're about an 1/8, 16th to an 1/8 of an inch shy of that 36-inch mark. Still plenty of holding. Very rarely do you need anything this long. When we do, we still have got some 4 foot and some 5 foot clamps that we can use for that. Still, say overall good. Nice smooth action. Like we saw, spins really well. Being able to get that clamp down. Just like any bar clamp with this style, you've got to make sure that you're set into one of these for this back foot. But that's a much easier surface to be able to sit your workpiece on and not worry about whether or not it's going to sit level or stable. So, all in all, I'd say a great addition to the shop. Only negative I see right now is, that not made correction. Where it was made, not a negative or a positive. Just that loss of a little bit of our space. You got anything you want to add? Is it too heavy? Give your opinion. Them
This is
fresh
really,
young muscles.
This is really light.
Alright, well, if you have any questions or anything you'd like me to check out with this, please feel free to leave a comment and we'll see if we can get a response to you. Until next time, I'm Mithli.
And I'm Kitty.
And he's silent. And this is Mithli Woodsmithy. We'll see you later.
Bye-bye.